The Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam also has the concept of presumptions. A presumption is the act of believing something to be true, even without having any proof. Later in this series, when we cover chapter 5, sections 78 to 93, we will discuss about the presumptions as to documents. There are two types of presumptions that the BSA has, a weaker presumption and a stronger presumption. May presume is a weaker presumption. It means the court has discretion or flexibility. The court can either consider the fact as proved until it is disproved, or it can ask for more proof. Shall presume is a stronger presumption. It means that the court must regard the fact as proved unless and until it is disproved. The court does not have any discretion or flexibility. These may presume and shall presume can have a significant effect on the outcome of the court proceedings because they can shift the burden of proof to the opposing party to disprove the presumed fact. For example, normally if a person submits a document as evidence, the court will ask for proof that the document is actually original and true and not fake. However, if the law says that the court shall presume a document to be proved, then the court will consider that document as original and true, even without any proof. Then the burden of proof gets shifted to the opposing party. Instead of the person submitting the document having to prove that it is true, the burden gets shifted to the opposing party to prove that the document is fake.